Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and we are going to be planting tomato seeds today. So I have my Jiffy organic seed starting mix here, and we've already added some water to it. I'm going to get a little bit more here. Now we want our mix a nice consistency. We don't want it soupy, and we don't want it too dry. So I'm just going to put my water in here. Get a little bit more here. There we go. That's a nice consistency there. Okay. Now, I got my 6-packs here, and we're going to start filling them with soil. And I'm going to be trialing a bunch of different tomato varieties this year to see what works better for us. So let me just put this in here. And I don't want any air pockets in my soil because it will, it's just not a good thing. So I'm packing my soil down in here. There we go. So that's our 6-pack there. And I'm going to fill the rest of them up with soil. We'll come back and I will show you then how to plant the seeds. Okay, so we're back, and these are our tomato seeds here, and we already got a bunch of these planted up here, so I'm going to do these up for you here so you can see. Now we cover these with a 1/4 inch of soil, and I'm just pushing this, the seeds into the soil, because we want our seeds to have nice contact with the soil. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Jiffy Organic Seed Starting Mix, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top, and I'm going to firm it over because I want to make sure that my seeds have good contact with the soil. And tomatoes need 70, sorry about that, 70 to 80 degrees to germinate. So we're going to be putting these in our grow box with a fluorescent light. It's on for 14 hours a day. I use the daylight bulbs in them, or you can use the sunshine bulbs. Either one works. And that will actually generate the heat for these to germinate for us. So I have my water bottle here, and I'm just going to spray over the top to make sure that everything gets nice and wet for us. So when we come back, I'll have them under the light and I'll show you. Okay, so we're back, and we got our tomato seeds planted in here. We did 6 different varieties in here, and I'm going to be planting more tomorrow. And I put a dome over them. You can see the light box here. And we're going to germinate them in here, and as soon as they germinate, we'll get them under the lights. I'll come back with another video then, and I'll show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.